This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 BHSCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features a driftwood decor interior, sleeps 10, microwave, leveling jacks, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, refrigerator, smoke detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, water heater, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 BHSCK is 7,132 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.